Good morning and welcome to the Body Symmetry Performance Podcast. Most people think their body's breaking down because of age. That's not what's happening. What's really happening is immune dysfunction, metabolic inflammation, and an energy system that's been turned down for years. And today, I want to talk about one peptide that sits at the center of all three. Thymosin Alpha-1. So there's three big problems that we all need to be aware of. Let's talk about the first real enemies. There are three core problems I see in almost every high-performing adult who feels run down, inflamed, or metabolically stuck. Problem number one, chronic inflammation. Inflammation isn't pain, it's immune confusion. Your immune system is firing when it shouldn't and missing threats when it should act. That leads to joint pain, brain fog, poor recovery, autoimmune flare-ups, and most people try to suppress it instead of fixing the signal. That's backwards, guys. Problem number two, insulin resistance. Insulin resistance isn't just a blood sugar issue, it's a cellular communication problem. Your cells stop listening. Glucose doesn't get in, fat doesn't get burned. Inflammation rises even more. This is why people say, I eat clean, I train hard, and nothing changes. Because the signal is broken, fellas and ladies. Let's get a grip on this. Problem number three, low cellular energy. Yes, that mitochondria, ATP. We all got to have it. This is the silent killer of performance. Low ATP means poor workouts, slow healing, low motivation, hormone dysfunction. Guys, you're not lazy. Your cells are just underpowered. That's what we're here to help you for. This is where Thymosin Alpha-1 comes in. Thymosin Alpha-1 is not a stimulant. It doesn't force anything. It restores communication. So let me tell you how Thymosin Alpha-1 actually works. Here's what makes it special. It trains the immune system instead of suppressing it. It helps immune cells reduce unnecessary inflammation, improve pathogen recognition, restores balance between over and under reaction. That alone changes everything. Thymosin Alpha-1 insulin signaling. When inflammation drops, insulin signaling improves. Cells become responsive again. That means better glucose uptake, improved fat metabolism, less metabolic stress, not through force, but through regulation. Thymosin Alpha-1 plus energy, ATP. Oh, I got a good one for you there, MOTC. We'll talk about that later. Here's what most people don't realize. Chronic inflammation directly damages mitochondrial output. When immune balance returns, mitochondria functions better. More ATP, better energy, clearer thinking. Who doesn't want that? Important truth to this is what matters. The Thymosin Alpha-1 is not a magic cure, but it addresses root causes that drive inflammation, insulin resistance, and energy collapse. That's why the right people feel dramatically different when it's used correctly. Thymosin Alpha-1 and who it's for. This is for high performers, athletes, business leaders, people who train but don't recover well, anyone stuck in inflammation. This is not for shortcuts. This is for restoration. If you're ready to learn more about Thymosin Alpha-1 and how it can help you and how we can help you at Body Symmetry MD, and if this resonates with you, don't just guess. Go to our website, www.bodysymmetrymd.com, fill out the form. That gives us permission to give you a call. We'll review your goals and your labs if needed and decide if Thymosin Alpha-1 actually makes sense for you. Because the goal isn't hype, guys. It's precision. And that's what we provide at Body Symmetry MD. And that's what I provide for you. You can get in touch with me directly at michael@bodysymmetrymd.com. I look forward to helping you out. I hope you have an amazing day.